Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change cradle lock assemble. In most cases, if you're struggling with drawing and out operation of ACB, you might have to do with these parts. Without further ado, let's get started. First off, you need to pull out the draw rail. And then please check the cradle state. It must be disconnected state. And just put it back, and secondly, release the screws from each side of frame door lock. And also unscrew the screws to disassemble the bottom cover. Now you can just take it out. And also take out the frame door lock, plate handle, and spring. You can simply separate cradle lock assemble. Now I'm going to install new cradle lock assemble. Just a heads up, it always comes with instruction manual, so you can easily follow it. Put the new cradle lock assemble in the cradle. As you can see there are gear teeth, make sure to put cradle lock under the first teeth of gear. And then just push it. Then assemble the plate handle lock and spring. Basically, you can adjust each portion by rotating the idle handle to clockwise or counterclockwise. Looking how it goes, you can adjust this portion to fit on the cradle. For the last parts of assembly, there is one more part you need to change. That is the cradle bottom cover. First off, you need to release the screws. Assemble spring as matching in the groove of new rubber. Pay attention to direction when assembling. Check the left and right operation state of lever. Finally, we've reached the ending of our video guide. If you have any other problem with using our products, no matter what it is, please let us know. We're always looking forward to hearing from you.